Okay, so this is a demonstration on how to complete a Google search. In class, we have been starting our research for our history projects, and each of you have chosen a president of the United States to research. I'm going to show you how you can search on Google to find information for your project. Okay, so the home page on your computers will be the Google screen, but if for some reason you need to go back to it, all you need to do is type in google.com and you'll hit enter. All right, that will take you right here to this Google search page. Now in this bar in the middle, you will type in the name of the president you would like to search. So we're going to do George Washington. Once you've typed in the name of your president, you're going to go ahead and hit enter. And here's where you will find all of the different links to information about your president. If there's a link you would like to investigate and see more about, you will click on the link and it will take you directly to that page. All right. And that is how we will complete simple Google searches for our projects.